So Nims Fruit Crisps has been established for 5 years. We started out in working from London and having our products manufactured in Europe. And about a year and a half ago, we decided to bring manufacturing back here and looked for premises for our production site in Kent. Nims Fruit came about because I used to run a coffee shop which was frequented by parents and children, all of whom were looking for healthy snacks. And not being able to find any, I decided to set up my own. One of the things I found in a supermarket was a freeze-dried apple crispy product which was flavoured with blueberry. And what I wanted, I loved the texture of it, I loved the fact that it was fruit, but I didn't want it to be flavoured with anything, and I didn't want it to be freeze-dried. So as natural a product as was possible to create that children and adults would like. So that's where the project began, to try and find a fruit crisp. One of the biggest advantages of being located in Swale is the transport links, whether it be for importing and exporting from Europe, or it be meeting my suppliers, most of whom are in Kent, farmers in Kent. Again, Garden of England means that we're able to visit the farmers here at short notice, look at the produce they have and get it delivered as fresh as possible. The retailers in Kent are very supportive of local produce, local businesses, and so we have great distribution in and around Kent, around Swale. The location in Swale also means that we're able to visit our buyers, our customers in London by an hour's journey in the car or fantastic train links straight into central London. We recently had support and funding from UKTI to attend a very prominent food trade show in Europe. This was a 3-day trade show where we had a stand. It was all financed by UKTI and a huge amount of support in leading up to the show and following the show. As a result of attending this trade show in Europe, we were able to actually secure distribution in Belgium. I met the distributor on the last day of the trade show, on the Wednesday I believe it was. The following Monday he had driven in to Kent, given the close proximity of the factory to the ports. He'd come down for a meeting to see the factory. He spent a whole day here. We had a great chat. He signed us up and is now distributing our products in Belgium and in fact in France and the Netherlands. Currently we have the capacity to produce something like 6 million packets of fruit and vegetable crisps which are air dried. We can double that if we run 24-hour-a-day operation. Our aim is to become the leading healthy snack manufacturer in the UK for export and for the domestic market.